Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to protect cells in Google Sheets. Protecting cells is a useful feature that helps prevent important information from being changed accidentally. This is especially helpful when working with shared spreadsheets or important data. In this example, we have a simple spreadsheet containing product names, regions, and sales information. Let's protect a specific range of cells. First, select the cell or range that you want to protect. For example, you can select the sales column or a specific range of cells. Next, go to the Data menu at the top of Google Sheets. From the menu, select Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel will now appear on the right side of the screen. Click Add a sheet or range to set up the protection. Make sure the correct cell range is selected, and then click Set Permissions. Here, you can choose who is allowed to edit the protected range. To prevent other users from changing these cells, select the option that allows only you to edit the range. Finally, click Done to save the protection settings. Now the selected cells are protected from unwanted changes. This can help keep important spreadsheet data safe and organized, and that's how you can protect cells in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next video.